Origins evolution. Species family. The Axolotl is a type of salamander belonging to the family Ambystoma. Unique trait. Unlike most salamanders, it is neotenic, meaning it retains larval features like gills and a fin detail throughout its life, instead of metamorphosing into a land-dwelling adult. Evolutionary background. Axolotls are closely related to tiger salamanders Ambystoma tigrinum, which can metamorphose. Scientists believe Axolotls evolved their permanent aquatic form due to stable lake environments in the Valley of Mexico. Natural habitat. Native region. Lakes around the Valley of Mexico, especially Lake Xochimilco and formerly Lake Chalco. These high-altitude lakes provided a cool, stable environment perfect for Axolotls. Axolotls were apex amphibians in their ecosystem, feeding on worms, insects, and small fish. Natural habitat. Native region. Lakes around the Valley of Mexico, especially Lake Xochimilco and formerly Lake Chalco. These high-altitude lakes provided a cool, stable environment perfect for Axolotls. Axolotls were apex amphibians in their ecosystem, feeding on worms, insects, and small fish. Aztec civilization. The name Axolotl comes from the Nahuatl language Atl-water. Axolotl, dog monster deity, linked to the god Axolotl, who transformed into an axolotl to escape sacrifice. Axolotls were used as food, medicine, and appeared in Aztec mythology as symbols of transformation and survival. Spanish colonization. When Spanish explorers arrived in the 16th century, they recorded Axolotls as a staple food in Aztec markets. Europeans became fascinated by them and began exporting specimens in the 19th century. Scientific discovery research. First European records, brought to Paris in 1864. Axolotls astonished scientists because they remained in larval form but could reproduce. Regeneration studies. Axolotls became legendary in biology labs worldwide due to their incredible regeneration abilities. They can regrow entire limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of their brain. Genetics. They have one of the largest genomes ever sequenced, 30 billion base pairs, 10x the human genome. Biomedical use. Still widely used in medical research for studying tissue regeneration, organ repair, and stem cell biology. Decline in the wild. 20th century onwards, rapid urbanization of Mexico City destroyed much of their natural habitat. Lake Chalco was drained, and Lake Xochimilco was reduced to canals. Pollution. Invasive species like tilapia and carp, and climate change further threatened them. Conservation status. Classified as critically endangered by the IUCN. Fewer than 1,000 may remain in the wild, though millions exist in captivity. Axolotls in modern culture. Symbol of Mexico. A cultural icon and conservation symbol in Mexico. Pets. Popular in the exotic pet trade due to their unique appearance and smiling face. Pop culture. Featured in video games Minecraft, Pokémon, artwork, and media worldwide. Conservation efforts. Mexican scientists and NGOs are restoring parts of Xochimilco with China MPAS, ancient floating gardens to provide safe habitats. Imeline summary. Ancient times Axolotls evolved as neotenic salamanders in Mexican lakes. Aztec era sacred animal, food source, and mythological symbol. 16th century Spanish encounter Axolotls. 19th century specimens exported to Europe. Scientific fascination grows. 20th century rise of laboratory use. Wild populations decline sharply. 21st century icon of regeneration science. Critically endangered in the wild. Beloved worldwide. In short, the axolotl is not only a living relic of Aztec culture, but also a scientific marvel. and a symbol of resilience balancing between near extinction in the wild and immortality in human culture. Would you like me to also make you a visual timeline infographic style of Axolotl history for easier understanding?